You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes.
Hello. So today we are learning cow mandala in Madhubani style. In Madhubani art, cow represents abundance, nurturing, and gentle strength. So draw with me or simply watch and relax. Let's begin with drawing lower borders in pairs. I'm just drawing 3 set of lines. Borders help organize the page and bring calm and structure. Inside the border, I create small rectangular sections. Keep the spacing even as you move across the page. For the next border, I'm just going to add a few lotuses with multiple petals. Firstly, I'm going on right, then on left. Just add the petals. Then take a coin and add semicircles above the border. These will become flowers and leaves. Also, firstly add the inner lining, then add few petals on the inside and flowers, whole flowers. In between the flowers, we will add leaves alternatively. Just adding leaf patterns and flowers after adding the inner linings to the semicircle. These fine lines bring life to the border. Now we'll begin drawing the cow's face. We'll start with a gentle curved outline for the ear and then extend to add the mouth slowly. Start with a gentle curved outline. Extend the neck downwards till it reaches the border. On the other side, add ear and horns, 2 horns. Then just add the back of the cow with a smooth flowing curve. Now darken the entire cow with a pen. This helps define the structure before we begin the detailing. Adding few detailings for the neck. Decorate the neck with pair of lines and small petal patterns. Simple repeating shapes create beautiful texture. Add the eye carefully. Make a curve first, then the lower curve. Add a soft eyebrow line. Eye brings expression to the cow. Add detailings inside of the eye, along with a small circle as nose. Place a small crown above the head. Now we'll begin designing the back of the cow. Just few simple shapes give cow a graceful look. Design it with a few alternative petals. We'll return to the lower border, fill it up with repeated vertical and horizontal lines. These simple patterns complete the base. Using colors green and red, I'll color up the lotuses. Alternatively, I'll add a few lines with the ink. Then we'll use the same colors for these rectangular boxes also, but alternatively, I'm using dark green, light green, and red on the inside. Same thing for the flowers and the leaves above. Warm and cool colors create a great contrast. Red is warm, green is cool. These are filled with green lines. Fill each section slowly and evenly. And just to make these color pop, I'm using another shade which is yellow color. This bright tone brings warmth to the artwork. Now the leaves in front of the cow and on top of the cow, we'll make them green, light green and dark green. Green add freshness and balance. Coloring the neck portion with blue, the crown, another few patterns on the back also I'll be coloring with blue, just a cool tone, then adding yellow to the remaining small patterns, making the combination as yellow and blue. Take your time here. This is where the cow's beauty appears. Just add another few lines also. Now just designing the horns to complete the cow softly. This is how it's going to look in the end. Finally, fill the background with yellow and notice how cow stands out beautifully. So after this is done, we'll start Mandala Trataka, which is mandala gazing. Just pause and look at your finished artwork. In Madhubani art, the cow symbolizes nourishment, abundance, and gentle strength. Let your eyes move slowly across the patterns and colors. Breathe in gently. Breathe out. Stay here for a quiet moment. If this felt calming, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.